Hello, this is Chris from EFX. Welcome to our setup tutorial for creating custom display colors. Let's begin with the color wheel. From the main menus, select the EFX device you wish to control. After selecting a device, you will be navigated to the color wheel menu. From here, you may select from over 16 million color combinations. For additional color control, open the RGB color slider by tapping on the RGB values readout found in the upper left corner. You can save up to 5 different preset colors and their respective brightness levels by selecting the boxes found below the color wheel. Open the Functions menu found in the bottom center of your screen. Here you will find a list of pre-installed functions as well as a Customs menu, which will allow you to create your own color functions. To begin creating a custom function, begin by selecting the Customs menu. Select Add New Mode. By selecting the 16 different boxes, you can program the color, brightness, display order, speed, and style of your desired colors. Once you're satisfied with your creation, name your custom function. Finally, select the Save button. Thank you for watching this setup tutorial. If you should have any further questions, please send us an email at info@efximagery.com.